What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So I just wanted to do a quick video here for you guys. So I do have a few different camera setups here. I have the old school GoPro Hero 6 Black with a puluz case and a luxebell 3.5mm Pro mic adapter cage here with a Rode wireless Rode video microphone. I don't know why I wanted to say wireless there. I have a Telesin cage here. This cage is actually the cage that was on this Hero 12 Black. And then this is the StreetGrip. Actually makes it look more like a digital camera from the 80s, 70s, and 90s. But it has this exact same cage right here. And then this, when there's a camera in here, this is actually sitting up because the button on the camera, the shutter button, is actually pushing it up. And then all you do is you just push it down to activate it. So same cage. You can actually get this StreetGrip without the cage for like 54 bucks. And you can buy it, this whole kit like this with this cage for like 80 something dollars. But what I want to show you is actually about these two Tilta cages. This is the Tilta Spruce green little multifunctional tool. And we have a couple, what's known as a quick buckle design. This one is from Smallrig. It actually puts the fingers on the back. So you can actually mount this to like a chest harness pretty easily because these are horizontal. And then here is the Vrig version. And this one has the fingers on the bottom just like the Hero 13 GoPro. So these two accessories right here only work on the Hero 13. And I also have one on a metal Forever cam buckle. That actually allows you to, if you loosen this screw, allows you to turn this whole head. This works great for like motorcycle helmets. That's what this is for. But I use it all the time. I actually have two of them right here. So there is a flaw with the Tilta cages. I did bring it to Tilta's attention. I guess they were not aware of it. So these cages, this one is the titanium gray setup. This one is the black setup. Now, there is a color flaw on the titanium cage. The titanium cage is actually, it's a bright silver. It's really hard to tell. But if I bring, like, my KF Concepts tripod and light in here, and I just shine light at it, for an example, turn this light on, and then we'll turn the brightness up here. We'll go to like 60% brightness on there. You can see that the actual GoPro microphone adapter cage is actually titanium gray. It's really dark. But the actual cage itself is kind of a bright silver. So that's kind of the issue with this cage for some reason. I don't know why. It is a bright silver. And you can even see right here close up, this cage is silver, and this 52mm filter tray is what Tilta calls it, that I have bolted on here. It is actually more of a titanium gray. Other flaw. I guess I brought it to Tilta's attention. I guess they didn't realize it, but the lens. So on the GoPro Hero 12, this lens right here for the GoPro, this is a 12. You can tell it's a 12 with all the little speckle spots on it. If I flip it right there, you can actually see the 12 through the slot. So this is a 12. The square lens that comes on the GoPro Hero 12 fits this filter tray, but it does not fit the GoPro Hero 13. And this one is definitely a 13. And you can actually see right through here that the lens is too big. And I'll put it on my lap and I'll show you guys. I have it kind of just pressed on. You can see it's not completely on. It does not fit. It does not fit at all. There's the lens. So this filter tray, the slot is too small. So for whatever reason, GoPro, even though GoPro used the exact same body for the 12 and the 13, and technically they used the same body from GoPro Hero 9 black, 10 black, 11 black, 12 black, and 13 black. For the last 5 generations of this camera, they've used the exact same body and screen size. The difference is this one, the 12, you can see the logo is just on, a black body. On the 13, it's actually a part of the screen. But the filter tray does not fit on this unit. It does not fit at all. So this is cut too small. So I brought it to Tilta's attention, and I asked him, because you can use it with or without. So this tray, it just bolts in to those 2 screws right there. So you can use this tray on the cage or without the tray. I prefer these trays because you can put a 52mm lens. It threads in. You can see the threads. And if you drop the camera and it shatters a replaceable lens that you can thread on this tray, it protects that lens right there. Problem is it's slightly bigger. You can actually see it is bigger. And I didn't notice that until I went to put this tray on with this cage originally. So that's the downside. The downside is that this will not work. I did ask Tilta if they could possibly just come out with a new tray that will fit just the 13. Especially for us people that have multiples of these cages. I actually have 2 of these black cages. And that's for the GoPro Hero 13 in forest green that I picked up. So they did release a GoPro Hero 13 in a different color other than white and black. They actually released it in forest green. So you guys will get to see a video of that soon. But I just wanted to bring it to your attention. I'm going to quickly put this back on just for, demonstration purposes. There we go. Got it back on for you guys. So I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. I already brought up with Tilta. When the gentleman I spoke to was really nice. They have American customer service. So Tilta makes lots of great stuff. They make fancy cages for DSLRs, mirrorless cameras. They make like videography and cinematography rig setups for like huge, massive 200-pound, like cinematic cameras. They make like cages that you can literally mount to vests that will actually mount camera equipment to you for movie makings. They make all kinds of stuff. They even make like remote controlled lens adapters for like a DSLR, huge lenses, the extremely massive lenses where you can actually control the lens electronically. So just push a button and, change the focus and the distance and the zoom and everything. They make lots of great equipment. Tilta has always made great equipment. I just wanted to bring it to everybody's attention that, sometimes there's flaws. And I do hope the video is helpful. Hopefully, Tilta sees this video and maybe they will, comment down below. But I would really like to see them just make this little tray is only $5. So for them to re-mill it and just mill it slightly bigger for the Hero 13 lens doesn't seem like a huge deal, like, a deal breaker for a company. But just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. I do have a DJI Osmo Pocket Creator bundle showing up, as well as a bunch of KF Concept accessories for the Osmo Pocket 3, as well as I have that GoPro Hero black forest green model showing up. That is all I got for you guys today. I do have a bunch of other wireless mic systems.